Hi everyone, welcome to my studios. I am Tina Dillard with Quilting Affection Designs, and I am pleased to announce that I am a 2019 Island Batik Ambassador. This will be my 4th year as I'm doing this year, and I'm very excited and overwhelmed at what we received. And so today we're going to do our box opening of what we've received in our boxes. First, let me introduce what our sponsors are. We have Auriful as a sponsor. We also have Accuquilt has joined in the whole group of sponsorship this year, and we've received an Accuquilt box. I haven't quite opened it yet, so we'll see that in a few minutes. We have also received sponsorship from Hobbs Batting. So we're very pleased to, we want to welcome them to the Island Batik group. The Island Batiks are really nice fabrics, and I really enjoy working with the fabrics and with the company as a designer. So with that said, let's go ahead and open the Accuquilt box and see what we received. Now, like I said, I have not opened these. We received these several days ago. I've been so busy preparing for classes and teaching that I haven't had a chance to do any of my opening of my boxes. This box here, I think it says it's like 38 pounds, and I am very excited, and wow, they keep these really well. It looks like from the invoice we have a fabric cutting system from Accuquilt. So let's see if I can get this last flap over. I may have to pull this to the floor and pull it out. It is a full ready, set, go system. And this 38 pound box is very heavy, and I have to pull it out. And it's heavy.
You need help?
Yeah, I'm gonna have my son help me with my who's helping me with my video, pull it out. It's going to take 2 of us to pull it out. Oh, wow. Thank you, Pat. So, we received a box. Let's go ahead and open it all the way up and see what we got. It looks like we got a cube box of 8, everything in it. Wow, that was heavy. The instructions. 2.5 inch cutter. Go cutter for the strips. A plastic piece. Wow. A book. The Go Cube Quilt book from Quilt in a Day. I'll have to pull this out first. We got the Accuquilt quilter quilt cutter, and last of all, we got a box of mix and match 8-inch blocks. Wow. So let's see what the cutter looks like. Brand new cutter, case, everything. Wow. That's probably quite nice for a gift. Thank you, Accuquilt. So let's see what little dies they gave us. make these into little sleeves. So, oh, these open up and expand. So you have a squares, half square triangles, quarter square triangles in that sleeve. Very nice. And looks like we got more here. These will make half square triangles, square on a point. Very nice rectangles. So, I really like to thank our sponsor AccuQuilt for this wonderful, generous gift for us. And it even has DVDs to watch. Wow. So we'll put these to the side for now and go ahead and open our Island Batik box. Got styrofoam all over me. So let's open this box. This one weighed 24 pounds with everything that they sent us. It's been a pleasure to work with as an Island Batik Ambassador, getting to know everybody. We're getting to where we're having more and more people. This year we had 2 gentlemen join us, and I think we've had 14 new Island Batik Ambassadors when all's said and done. I want to welcome them to the Island Batik Ambassador program as they watch this video. So let's see what's in this fun little box. It looks like we got a kaleidoscope collection bundle. Different colors. Very bright colors. I love bright colors. That can be very, very handy. A surprise pack. I cannot open this because these are for special projects and we can only open these at special times. You'll get to see these when we do our blog hops. So we'll put that to the side. And like I said, one of our sponsors is Auriful. They threw in some different types of Auriful threads. Very different weights to play with and have fun with. Some Island Batik buttons. So, neutral yardage, 5 yards. Wow, this is beautiful. I love these neutrals. They go with anything we work with the batiks. Another surprise bundle. So, you'll have to stay tuned to see what this is going to be. So, we'll put that here with those. Oh. One of the things I love about batiks and what Island Batiks does, they have solid colors in batiks. And they also have the white, which is very hard to find in a batik. So they sent that to us. It's 3 yards of each. And I'm ecstatic because this is more than we've received before. And I love working with the solid colors. Another Auriful package, green, rayon, 2 yards of rayon fabric. They do have rayon fabric. We have 2 yards of light and 2 yards of dark fabrics and coordinating strips of it's from the fall winter catalog 2018 called Ditty. These could be fun to play with. Beautiful colors. Oh, we got a Island Batik scarf. It's a rayon scarf, and look at the greens and purples. That is so beautiful, and there's some teals in that scarf. That is beautiful. I love their scarves. 2 packages of the I think they call these the stash builders. You can use these for anything. They're so nice to work with. Wow. Now, another sponsor we have is Hobbs Batting. And I have discovered the whole rest of this box is nothing but Hobbs Batting. So we have Hobbs Heirloom. This is a cotton batting. This is crib size. A Thermomore batting for quilted clothing. We've received some Tuscany collection. This is a silk blend. Wow. A little variety of everything from Hobbs Batting. An 80-20 excuse me, bleached blend of batting. This is cotton. Natural color in the Hobbs Batting cotton. And black. So we received about every other one they have in the Hobbs Batting. This is really, excuse me, nice of Hobbs Batting. So that is our box opening. Well, again, I'd like to thank you to Island Batik, Island Batik Accuquilt, Auriful, and Hobbs Batting for being our sponsors this year, and we hope to please you guys with everything that we come up with for design-wise in each of our projects we do this year. So that is it for our opening of our box, and I'd like to thank you for joining me. And again, thank you to my son for helping me open this and doing the video. So that said, happy quilting, and I will see you soon. Bye.